I no longer hate cleaning at home because I don't have to do it anymore. As this baby can crawl better than an actual baby, packed with features like edge and corner reaching, mopping, and packs 20,000 pascals, which simply means this vacuum, well, sucks real good. I'll be the first to admit the Dreame X50 Ultra is not cheap, but if you're looking to save time and not have to worry about your guests judging your dirty floors, then their new dual brush is a game changer for all the hair that your girlfriend leaves on the floor. Now, we're not going in depth in this video, but I do want to highlight what makes this vacuum special, especially as someone who, well, never cleans, but with 2 kids of my own, yeah, they're cute, but dirty AF. But still cute. First off, what matters the most is how well it cleans. We've got mostly hardwood around the house, but it's also smart enough to lift the mop pads auto-magically to avoid soaking your carpets too. Corners and edges have no chance thanks to the extending brushes and mops. It gets right up in there, but you know we had to test it to the max. So after digging through and finding mostly expired spices, it recognized the mess, docked and magnetically connected the mop pads, and the X50 Ultra was surprisingly able to handle even the stickiest of messes. And the best part, you don't have to remove or clean the dirty mop pads yourself, as the dock itself will wash the mop pads and then dry them out so they don't stink up. It's also super easy to pour out the dirty liquid and refill the clean ones too, so now you don't have to worry about it dragging any old dirt around. And around it goes, because its navigation system is like having Google Maps built into your home. Able to recognize and label over 200 common objects and encounters and avoid accordingly. Combined with their new VersaLift navigation, it retracts its LiDAR, turns on the flashlight, and then is able to clean under furniture that even you're scared to look into. Lastly, with the Tonka truck wheels they installed on this beast, they've developed the Pro Leap system, able to handle your everyday wires and door sills, but also, whoop-bam, double legs to lift it over steps, ledges, and obstacles up to 6 centimeters in height. So no more limiting it to certain rooms or having it get stuck and have to reset it every time. So just when you thought vacuums couldn't get any more exciting, they made climbing ones. And if you're like me and looking to save some time on chores, links and details down below.